Sous vide machines are becoming increasingly popular among home chefs who want to elevate their cooking game. There are many products available to choose sous vide machines, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best sous vide machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. The Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker provides perfect results every time, circulating water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meals. The Anova app offers thousands of free recipes and allows users to monitor their cook from anywhere via their smartphone. Sous vide cooking locks in flavor and moisture, resulting in texture and taste that is second to none. The precision cooker is easy to use, heating water faster and holding temperature precisely. It attaches to any container with an adjustable clamp and is water-resistant. Designed in San Francisco, Anova delivers a great customer experience with free recipes for cooks of all skill levels. Number 2. Greater Goods Kitchen Sous Vide Machine Precision Cooker. Upgrade your kitchen with the Greater Goods Kitchen Sous Vide, a powerful and ultra-quiet immersion circulator that brings professional-level precision cooking to your home. With 1,100 watts of power and a brushless motor, this sous vide is not only high-performing but also gentle on the ears. For an upgraded kitchen, pair the sous vide with other Greater Goods kitchen gear. The friendly team in St. Louis is always ready to assist with any questions, and the purchase comes with ethical factory partnerships and charitable donations. Number 3. Sous Vide Wi-Fi Cooker. The Kalman Cuisine Sous Vide Wi-Fi Cooker offers high-end Wi-Fi remote control, allowing you to manage cooking settings from your phone. This feature provides convenience by eliminating the need to constantly check on your food. It also promotes a healthier lifestyle by retaining more nutrients and flavors in your dishes. The sous vide cooker enhances efficiency and quality with its powerful heating technology, ensuring evenly cooked ingredients. The timer and touchscreen make cooking more convenient, alerting you when your meal is ready, saving you from overcooking. Number 4. Sous vide machines. Experience the benefits of sous vide cooking with the Cox Sous Vide Cooker. This immersion circulator accurately controls cooking time and temperature based on thousands of food tests. The constant temperature cooking maintains the nutrients and moisture of your ingredients, and the taste is more flavorful than normal cooking. The 360-degree water circulation ensures that the fiber of your food is not destroyed. With a temperature range of 25 to 92.5 degrees Celsius and a power of 1000 W, this sous vide cooker comes with a digital display control that shows recipe, temperature, and time. Number 5. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro. The Anova Sous Vide Cooker ensures perfect results every time by circulating water at the precise temperature needed for perfectly cooked meals. This cooker is ideal for a variety of foods like chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, and pork, locking in flavor and moisture for exceptional taste and texture. Its rugged design allows it to heat up to 100 L of water, making it durable and reliable for long cooking sessions. Easy to use, simply attach it to your pot, add water, seal your food in a bag, and cook manually or through the Anova app.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.